This one's pulled. That's a fair ball inside the chalk and toward the corner. Shuck is being waved around. Zobrist up and firing. The relay to the plate, not in time, and the Angels get one of those runs back. Iannetta with the RBI double, and the Angels lead is 5-3.
Well, just like we were hoping for Chris Iannetta to be able to get that run back, rocket right down the left field line. It looked like a fan was going to try to touch that baseball.